This is not Anand Giri's first brush with controversy. The 38-year-old Anand Giri, who was a priest at the Bade Hanuman temple in Prayagraj, is known as a yoga guru and spiritual leader in the city. Unlike other seers, Anand Giri has never been able to embrace the life of an ascetic. Anand Giri's non-ascetic life was highlighted after videos and photographs of him riding luxury cars, bikes, and enjoying a rich lifestyle in hotels and beaches started making rounds on social media after Mahant's death. Anand Giri later came to Bhagambari Mutt and was formally inducted into the Sri Panchayati Akhara Niranjani by Mahant Narendra Giri in 2007. Over the period, Anand Giri cultivated his following through yoga. But more than his spiritual qualifications, Anand Giri has been known for his escapades and controversies. Self-proclaimed yoga and spiritual guru, Swami Anand Giri was arrested in Australia's Sydney for the sexual assault of 2 women followers. According to a few media reports, Swami Anand Giri assaulted women when he was attending a prayer meeting in Rooty Hill in 2018. In May 2019, Sydney police arrested Anand Giri and produced him before an Australian court in connection with the case. The seer was later granted bail on the condition that he would not hold any religious congregation as a Hindu Swami. There are other videos and photographs of Anand Giri posing next to luxury bikes and cars. In another video, he is seen explaining the significance of the Bundestag, the German parliament. Anand Giri has also posted similar videos and images from his trip to Brisbane, Paris, Auckland, and London, among others. On September 21st, the Uttar Pradesh police registered an FIR against Anand Giri in connection with the alleged suicide of Akhil Bharatiya Akhara Parishad President Mahant Narendra Giri. Even as the Akhila Bharatiya Akhara Parishad President was laid to rest at Bhagambari Mutt in Prayagraj, the spotlight stayed on Anand Giri. Anand was once said to have been the favorite disciple of Mahant Narendra Giri and is now at the center of a case of alleged abetment of suicide. He has been removed as president of the Yuva Bharat Sadhu Samaj after his name cropped up on the purported suicide note of the deceased seer. Mahant Narendra Giri was found hanging in his room at Bhagambari Mutt on September 21, 2021. The police also found an alleged handwritten suicide note in which the seer blamed Anand Giri and Adhaya Prasad Tiwari for his death. Subsequently, the Prayagraj police arrested Anand Giri and Adhaya Prasad Tiwari after questioning them at length. In the suicide letter, the seer has accused Anand Giri and 2 others of planning to use a morphed picture to discredit Narendra Giri. The Akhil Bharatiya Akhara Parishad president had also mentioned that he was mentally disturbed and upset with one of his disciples.